Hi there. Yesterday, we posted about a free webinar on the topic Lead to Cash, the art of the possible with Salesforce Sales Cloud, CPQ, and Billing. Now, one of the components of this webinar is a live demonstration. So I got a few questions asking what exactly we are covering. So I thought I will just share this quick video to talk about what this webinar is all about and what we will be specifically covering in the live demonstration. Essentially, as part of this webinar, we will be talking about the entire lead to cash process, meaning the process of converting a prospective customer a lead all the way through till they become a paying customer. So from a Salesforce perspective, in this demo, we will be looking at various functionalities as it relates to Sales Cloud, CPQ, and Billing. For example, initially, the prospective customer's information are captured. So there is lead management, account management, opportunity management, contacts management. So all of these are capabilities of the CRM system, which ensures that a prospective customer's information is captured and all the interactions that happens with these prospective customers are also captured. From a CPQ perspective, it stands for Product Configuration, Pricing, and Quotation. Now we will also be looking at what are the various capabilities of the CPQ system as it relates to configuring products. Now it could be a one-time product, it could be bundled products with some complex configurations in it. We look at how can Salesforce help in putting a quote together for this potential customer so that the discounts required can be easily captured, the approvals that need to be sought from internal management team can be sought, and finally a quote sent to the customer for their review and acceptance. Subsequent to customer's acceptance, we'll also look at how Salesforce helps in generating these order and line items and then generating an invoice. When it comes to generating an invoice, depending on whether it's a one-time product or a subscription product, the ability for the system to magically determine what amount should go in on the first billing cycle and what product should be billed on subsequent billing cycles, whether it's monthly or quarterly or annually based on the agreed upon billing frequency with the customer. And finally, we will look at how payments can be captured and associated with the invoice so that we can then run various reports to see which customers have already made the payment, which customers have made partial payment, and what are all the invoices that are still outstanding. So this is going to be a complete end-to-end process that will be covered in this demonstration. So the question then is, who should attend this webinar? Now, the ideal candidates here are: one, if you are a Salesforce implementation consultant, by that I mean a Salesforce business analyst, Salesforce administrator, a project manager, a developer, or anyone who is already in the ecosystem and wants to learn or know more about what CPQ and Billing together can do with Sales Cloud. This might be a great opportunity for you to get exposure on the various business use cases that businesses use to solve using CPQ and Billing. If you're a business trying to or contemplating whether to implement Salesforce CPQ or Billing, this definitely will give you a quick overview of the capabilities of CPQ and Billing and what it can do and the various use cases that it can handle easily. We'll also be covering some of the best practices that goes with a CPQ and Billing implementation. Finally, if you are from a non-IT background, if you have been in the role of a sales ops or finance and now want to learn how Salesforce can help in this entire journey of lead to cash, this might be a great opportunity for you to come and attend the webinar. So if any of these interest you and you would like to attend this webinar, the link is down below in the description. Feel free to register and I will see you inside in the webinar. Take care. Cheers.